Hey Jeff here. I'm taking apart my laptop computer because the speakers are not working properly. So let's dig into this. First of all, there's like eight small Torx vises and two other Philips vises that are under rubber stickers. As this has been removed gently, you may want to actually blow to clean up all the dots that could be on the fan blade, which I did earlier. Now, when this is done, you have access to the battery. The battery can be flipped over to access all the, the cabling. And let's, all right, there we go. And let's have a look to the speakers. Speakers are pretty cool, actually. So, what happens is, well, in my case, I went to the shop and there's some metal strip and they end up sticking to the speaker here. Now, the speaker is on a balloon, so this is quite innovative by its way. So, if you can see, hopefully, this is a balloon, and eventually, if you've got metal strip that are sticking all around, they would eventually with vibration, cut off the membrane here, and you end up with a flat. And this is pretty much what I have here. I don't know if you can see, but the speaker is flat downward, therefore it's not vibrating anymore, and the sound is just not good. So I've got one flat on one of my two speakers here, and they're ready to be changed. I just bought new one. They're about $30 on Asus website. There's some shipping, so altogether it's something like $60. I actually bought two sets because actually the second time that I'm changing those speakers, and I feel like I might have to change it again. So it's not a big expense, but actually I am quite impressed by the quality of the speakers. I don't have other speaker than these, and they work pretty well to me. So I'm gonna change them, and well, hope you've learned something. Have a good day.